Camera started.
Today's May 11th. Pravin's birthday.
Don't break the mirror, okay? Or just bring in front of camera. Yeah. Praveen? If you come easily, then you won't be hurt more.
This is where we need to place. Kick.
Sorry.
I will kick.
Kick.
Hey, move
Give some bonus kicks for offshore also.
Tish! And tish! And tish! Hey, don't! Hey! It's moving around. Yeah, okay. What? Real kick. I don't hit very hard. Okay, I can.
Okay, someone else hold.
I will hold.
Raise.
Move. Oh my god.
Turn like this. Wait.
Hey,
Turn like
don't
this.
do that.
Don't do like that. It will be more. If you do like that.
People, okay?
Okay, that is Krishna. Okay, now one more time. Come here.
Okay. Fast.
This is from Vicky. This is from Barnari. This is from Maria. And this is from Rachel. Hey, idiot.
Oh my god, so.
Nebu didn't kick here.
Yeah. Nebu kick.
He didn't kick. Come.
Stand like this. That is enough. Stand. Okay.
I'll stand on this.
I'll kick that style. Take this shoe. I'll kick in that style. Okay, move.
No. He's shaking here. I didn't. Okay.
I kick very slowly, huh? Like that. Take the chapati.
Hello.
You can sit, right?